My name is Doctor Bukky Oseni-Olalemi. I started practicing in 2018. I decided to become a podiatrist after I had shadowed another podiatrist, which is a requirement prior to attending podiatry school. And what I saw, not only in him, but his overall practice, was his maintenance of work-life balance, his love for what he did. There was a huge variety of things that he loved that involved podiatry, from conservative to surgical. I also shadowed him in the operating room. It was a 3-month shadowing experience, and I felt like after that time spent with him, this is definitely what I wanted to do. The value definitely resides in not only our ability to help people, but the route in which we do so. Our job in general involves a lot of clinical examination, imaging, things that you put together. And also with the help of our colleagues, it makes things a lot easier, but in general, it has to do with the pursuit of diagnosis and how we treat it.